What's up, Product Hunt? My name is Tim. I'm the founder and CEO of Optimization, and we're the makers of HiveMind. Super excited for you to check this out, but let me be real with you, nothing is going my way or our way. I'm in a hotel, there's background noise. I slept like 3 hours trying to finish this template, and I've been postponing this launch for like 5 to 10 times. I don't remember, but sometimes you just gotta ship what you got and let the market tell you what they think about the product. Now, in terms of the product, let me address the elephant-sized bee in the room, because HiveMind. The template is the most expensive on the market at $500, and then it is $1,000 with some specialized onboarding on Slack and our coaching. But why is that? So I'll show you that with HiveMind, you get a lot of pre-built stuff that's beautifully designed, right? You get a home dashboard that showcases company areas, important announcements, docs, goals, projects, and a feed of new docs, meetings, and whatnot, and all new content for the past week. Now, then you get dashboards for your individual functions, right, and their respective goals and projects and resources. And then you can also get project dashboards with their respective tasks and meetings and resources, and you get a bunch more stuff. In fact, there's 12 databases and 44 templates. The creme de la creme, of course, is a personal dashboard that you can stylize and customize, and of course we have it tailored to the B movie. But all of this stuff is nothing without good education. And I think this really builds on top of the idea that Notion isn't just a tool, it's a toolbox. So that's why we bring in, when you actually open HiveMind, you get this onboarding. And it is an interactive 5-step onboarding that literally explains the whole process, construction process and the architecture process, right? You get basics on Notion. You get the explanation of the framework and how it was inspired by Tiago Forte and code, and like our own little take on how to use HiveMind. And then there is diagrams that also explain the relationships between all of these databases. And then you get actually to create your first pages and design workflows for your team. There's a couple of starter workflows, but I really want to invest into the workflow library, which essentially will have guides on like how to, for example, like let's pull this up, how to like review last quarter's performance, right? Or how to measure team capacity, or how to run a customer discovery process, or how to run a fundraising process. All of that stuff is going to be baked in and explained. And so that means that you will be able to take HiveMind and leverage it for all of these wonderful workflows. And then, yes, of course, beyond that, we've got nearly 4,000 words of documentation that explains every single database. You know, you can open and understand what a database is about, and even go super nerdy, like see all the properties that we've built, their purpose, all the templates that we built, and all the database view. The resources here are phenomenal. That's why I refer to it as not just a Notion template, but an operating system. And all of this, by the way, is coming at a cost that is a fraction of our consulting fees. And so that's why I'm just really excited to share HiveMind with a lot more people, a lot more users. Please check it out and try it out. I think you will, if you're into Notion, if you're into second brains or no code, or really just optimizing productivity and efficiency of your organization, this is going to be the product for you. Please support on Product Hunt. Please share on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Polywork, whatever you want. I'm just excited to be here. I'm going to be on Zoom literally the whole day on a stream and answering questions or whatnot. So hopefully to see you there, and bye.